Hey, what's up guys, welcome back, and if you are new to this channel consider subscribing because I will be uploading a lot more tech related videos in coming days. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video I will show you how you can troubleshoot the black screen problem in Windows 8 and 10. So I have 3 tips which will help you through troubleshooting your black screen problem. Tip number 1. Remove the battery and unplug the power cord and then press and hold the power button for 1 minute and then put back the battery and try to turn it on. If this doesn't solve the problem, then carry on to the next step. Step 2. This time do the same thing as step 1 but press and hold the power button for 2 minutes and then try putting back the battery and turn it on. And if it doesn't work for you and doesn't solve your problem, then move on to step 3. The step 3 is the most effective step and it worked for me. So basically all you have to do is to remove your hard disk compartment of your laptop very carefully and pull and disconnect the hard drive from the motherboard like this. Again, remember guys, do it very carefully. And if you have no idea about the internal parts of the laptop, then please don't open that, otherwise you might damage the motherboard and hard drive. Now remove the hard drive from its connector, then reinsert it back after 1 minute, then try to boot up again. See, now it booted up and it will go to Windows screen. It worked for my laptop. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if that worked for you or not. Thanks for watching.